Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Pavoni Espresso machine. Now this machine was broken because it needed tune-up, and as well the group head sleeve was broken, and we pretty much end up replacing it and just pretty much replacing a bunch of parts on the machine, including the side glass, the gaskets from the side glass, the gaskets from the steamer one, as well as the gaskets from the piston. So let's test it out. And 1 ounce of water. I use a fine grind on this machine. It's a little bit hard to push the level all the way, but as you can see, good shot of espresso. Now for the steamer. And there you have it. Pavoni working once again. Thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.